Oli Olis. I wanted to try something new and look, this is like a one-stop shop. I'm not kidding when it comes to Lord Hair. It's really good products. This is actually one of my favorite tapes. Look how easy they are to adhere. I like there's some sizes that are large that you can get in certain places, but they're too much because you still have to cut them in the middle. And this is just, it seems like the perfect size. I don't know, here. Anyway, let me show you the hair system. I'm excited about this. I already love the hair color. So you already know that I love a base all the way around. That's my favorite, with French lace in the middle and French lace in the very front. It's not as noticeable. It's easy to blend in, and I wanted something like in case I had somewhere to go and I wanted to have hair that's a little higher or just pull back or down. But the good thing about this is that you can mess with it as much as you like. You can see where you're most comfortable with, but yeah, look, I already like it like this. Oh, I love it. So yeah, let me show you exactly how easy it is to install the tape, because I get that asked in real time. I don't usually put tape where the lace is. I normally just put the tape around there. So let me just, give me 1 second. So I lay it down in the perimeter, just like that. You can put it any way you like. I usually go all the way around like this. Here we go. This can last a while. I have some that'll last a month or 2 months. This can last a good time. Now, let me tell you something. Because it's the time of summer, this is where I put not only tape, but I also put glue here at the base to keep it here. Now, this is the tip. Anytime you're using any type of glue, you want to make sure, my favorite is Ghost Bond glue. Please make sure that you let that fully dry. I've made the mistakes before of going out and about and it kind of was dry, so I was like, okay, let me just put it, let me go. And I went on my merry way and it didn't feel adhered to my skin. It didn't feel like it was locked in. So I made sure next time, anytime I was going anywhere and it was hot outside, I let it dry. Let me go ahead and go put glue, and then let me finish the tape and I'll put it on. I'll be right back. Okay, so now that I'm done, this is the one I showed you before. I've done the outer perimeter of the base. I've pressed it all down, and this is how simple it is. You just start peeling it back. Now that I have it, all I usually do is go from corner to corner here, here to here, here to here. And I don't press down right away because I want to make sure that it lays pretty flat and well in the beginning. I have glue, so I'm not going to press too hard down. And I just work my way all the way to the back like that. And I can adjust along the way. And then once I feel like I've gotten it down, all I do is press the tape down. And I make sure that I leave it there. Mind you, we can use glue the entire time. Like I can always do this. Like anytime I feel like maybe it's not adjusting correctly at the side, but look how easy it is and how simple. Look how close you have to be to clock it. Look at that. You can't tell me that hairline doesn't look good. It's amazing how simple it looks. Sorry, some of this is, there you go. I love this. The color seems to fit me just right. All I need is to have a little bit of a fade and I'm good to go. I don't want to touch it. That's how much I like it. I don't want to put hairspray on it or anything like that. I love how it is. Now, this is going to be my fancy nights because this is perfect to just wear it out and about. Come on, you can't tell me. I love this. Hey, see you in the next one. Dame un besito, I gotta go. Bye.